Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 19. And given that a and b, these are members of positive integers, and that a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. Now let's provide a solution to this problem. Let's provide a solution. So we have 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 19. Now, the question here is what is a plus b? Let's find out what is a plus b. So from here, let's multiply both signs by ab, so that we'll have ab multiplied by 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to ab over 19. So here we'll have AB over A plus AB over B. This is equal to AB over 19. So let's simplify here, so that now we'll have B plus A. This is equal to AB over 19. So let's multiply both signs by 19. So that now here we'll have 19 times b, this is 19b, plus 19 times a, this is 19a. This is equal to ab. So let's take 19b plus 19a on the right hand side, so that we'll have a times b, subtract 19b, subtract 19a. This is equal to 0. Now, to be able to factorize this equation, we have to add and subtract both signs. We have to add and subtract 361, which is the product of 19 and 19. So we have plus 361 minus 361. This is equal to 0. The second step we'll have here AB minus 19B minus 19A plus 361. Let's take plus negative 361 on the right hand side. So this will be equal to 361. This will be equal to 361. So the next step is to factor out here. So you can see b and b is common here. So you'll have b into the bracket a minus 19. Then subtract. Now 19 is common here. So factor out 19. So that we'll have a minus 19. This is equal to 361. So by factorizing here, we have b into the bracket a minus 19, subtract 19. Now, into the bracket a minus 19, this is equal to 361. So here we'll have b minus 19. Then here we'll have a minus 19. This is equal to 361. So the next step is to get the prime factors of 361. So these factors are 361. What you can multiply to get 361, that is 361 multiplied by 1, which is the same thing as 361. Then the next one is 1 times 361. We will have the same thing as 361. And lastly, we have 19 times 19. So we have case 1 here, we have case 2 here, and we have case 3. So we have 3 cases here. This is the first case, 361 times 1. We have 1 times 361, which is case 2, and 19 times 19, which is case 3. By following the property that a and b, these are members of positive integers. So let's proceed to solve case 1, case 2, and case 3 as follows. Now, let's solve these 3 cases we have here. Let's start with case 1. from case 1 here, we have b minus 19, a minus 19. This is equal to 361 multiplied by 1. In this case, we have b minus 19. This is equal to 361. And we have a minus 19. This is equal to 1. So from here, b will be equal to 361 plus 19. And this is equal to 380. This is equal to 380. And we have that a minus 19 is equal to 1. So this implies that a is equal to 19 plus 1, which is equal to 20. So this implies that a plus b, this is equal to 20 plus 380, and this is equal to 400. So this is the first solution for case 1. This is the solution for case 1. Let's proceed to case 2. Let's proceed to case 2. Case 2 here, we have b minus 19. We have a minus 19. This is equal to 1 times 361. So that implies that b minus 19, this is equal to 1. And we have a minus 19, this is equal to 361. So this implies here b will be equal to 1 plus 19, and this is equal to 20. And a here will be equal to 361 plus 19, and this is equal to 380. Therefore, a plus b, this is equal to 20 plus 380, and this is equal to 400. So this is the solution to case 2. And lastly, let's solve for case 3. We have that b minus 19 multiplied by a minus 19. This is equal to 19 multiplied by 19. This implies that b minus 19, this is equal to 19. And therefore, this implies that b is equal to 19 plus 19. And this is equal to 38. We also have a minus 19. This is equal to 19. And this implies that a is equal to 19 plus 19. And this is equal to 38. Now, this implies that a plus b, this is equal to 38 plus 38. And this is equal to 76. This is equal to 76. Therefore, 1 over a plus 1 over b, which is equal to 1 over 19. We have the solution here as 400. We have 76, and we have 400. So this is the solution to this algebra problem. So this is the solution to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe.